along the edges.
But so you can do both sides, but you can't do the bottom.
Just don't do the bottom on the outside. You can put texture all over this. You got to think about when you're eating, and if food is gonna stick in, if any deep texture.
Oh no,
I wouldn't
Amy,
do
got my stuff.
I would not do deep texture there, because the food will stick to that. Even though glaze covers it, you might just want to do some light texture. I might just do this. This won't be very deep. Get rid of that line. And you're going to lose some texture when you start doing the darting, closing the darts. That didn't get there because I do this texture on my mugs, the mugs that you saw out there. If any of you went to the golf house, the mugs have some of this texture on them. And if you watched my video on YouTube about some of those mugs that you saw, and some of the pots have porcelain slip on them, so you can kind of see in person what I was saying. Now I'm not going to move it. But I keep doing that with the knife, but this works better. Score and slip. Each one. And we're gonna need props to put behind the edges, because we're gonna fold them up like that. After you slip it, you're gonna push it together, but you need something to hold the side up. And you can kind of make a finger mark here from here to here. That just kind of helps you see where the bottom of the bowl is gonna be.
And what do you recommend as a prop? Anything?
I'll show you. Some clay or corner right here. So this will help prop this side. And then I'm gonna put the slip on here and just kind of pinch them together.
Oh.
You pinch it together there. And we're also gonna put a coil on the inside. You wanna slide your fingers up and down to pinch it together so that you don't have any air bubbles in there. No air gets stuck in there. But to strengthen this, I'm gonna make sure anytime you're making coils, use super soft clay to roll out the coils. And we always, in everything I do just about, you make them super thin. You're just trying to help support the clay to make this corner stable. So I'm gonna put that there and kind of, notice that I'm supporting the outside. If you just start pushing, you're gonna push right through. So I'm supporting the outside and pushing up on that coil to smooth it out. And you wanna smooth it out the best you can so you don't even see it. Now I have had students, and you can do this if you want to, I have had students use the coil as part of the decoration and actually texture the coil inside with dots or something to, they let the coils just show.
So is that 2 coils you're using?
I just did 2 coils because it was sinking in a little bit at the bottom.